我想你，我想你，我想你，وحشتيني. Welcome to In Chinese and fasten your seatbelts. I'm Xinyu. Today we will distinguish two words, 想 and 要. If you're interested in learning Chinese, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And in the end of this video, I have a free gift for you, which is today's lesson I compiled. And we are starting right now. 我要学汉语，我想学汉语。So, 想和要, the both are the modal verb, which means want. So in these two sentences, they have the same meaning, which is I want to learn Chinese. Is that correct? Well, not exactly. The meaning of these two sentences is same, but there are some differences between them. Let's talk about 想 first. 想 is a modal verb, which means want. A subject should be added before it, and a verb should be added after it. It refers to a person's thought, but without actions. So in this sentence, 我想学汉语, it refers to I want to learn Chinese, but I haven't started learning yet. And let's talk about 要. 要 is also a modal verb, which means want. A subject should be added before it, and a verb or a noun should be added after it. It's something you're going to do. The tone is way more stronger. For example, 我要学汉语. So this sentence expresses that I'm going to learn Chinese and I will do it very, very soon. Let's check some examples. 我想吃火锅. I want to eat hot pot. 我要吃火锅. I want to eat hot pot. 我想减肥. I want to lose weight. 我要减肥. I want to lose weight. 我想成为 rap star. Yo, it's aka 新宇. 我要做 rap star. I wanna be rap star. And we've mentioned that a noun can also be added after 要. For example, 我要这个手机. I want this phone. 我要这个苹果. I want this apple. 我要这件衣服. I want this clothes. If you want to say I don't want, so we can add the negative word 不 in front of 想 and 要. It will be 不想 and 不要. I don't want. But the tone of 不要 is way more stronger than 不想. For example,
你想不想吃螺蛳粉？
我不想吃螺蛳粉. I don't want to eat 螺蛳粉.
你要不要吃螺蛳粉？
Ew, smelly, smelly. Ow, 不要，不要，我不要. I don't want it. Except the difference of the tone, there's another difference between them. A verb can be added after 不想, but for 不要, a verb or a noun can be added after it. For example, 我不想学习 or 我不要学习. So it means I don't want to study. Here, 学习 it means study, so we can use both sentences. But if we say 我不要苹果, I don't want an apple. Here, 苹果 it's a noun, which means an apple. So here, 苹果 is a noun. We only can use it after 不要. So you cannot say 我不想苹果. So that's totally wrong. 我不要可乐。我不要咖啡。我不要牛奶。我什么都不要。I want nothing. In addition to the meaning of want, 想 and 要, they also have another meaning. Let's talk about 想 first. 想 can be a verb, which means think or miss. If I want to say think for a while, we can say 想一想。一加一等于几？等于几？让我想一想 Let me think about it.
你到底要嫁给谁？ Who are you gonna marry?
我得好好想一想 I'd have to think about it.
你想到办法了吗？ Have you thought of a way?
我还没有想到 I didn't. And if I want to say miss you, so we can say 想你。我想你了。我想你。我想你。我想你。我还是滴你。About 要 it can mean be going to or have to. If I want to say he's coming, we can say 他要来了。Here, 要 means be going to. And also, if I want to say I'm going to China, we can say 我要去中国。外面要下雨了。It's going to rain. And 要 has another meaning, which means have to. We usually use it in an order or common sentence. For example, if I received my Chinese exam report, but I only got 20 points on the test, I'm very sad, and then I determined to study Chinese very hard. I would say, 我要好好学习汉语. I have to study Chinese hard. If you and your classmates are talking all the time during the class and the teacher is staring at you, and then this time you would tell your classmates, 别说了，我要听课了. Stop talking. I have to listen in class. Right, that's all for today. Today I will distinguish the difference between 想 and 要. Let's review it. First, 想 and 要, they both are the modal verb, which means want. For example, 我想学汉语 or 我要学汉语. The difference between them is that the tone of 要 is stronger than the tone of 想. Except the difference of the tone, there's another difference between them. A verb can be added after 想, but for 要, a verb or a noun can be added after it. For example, 我要这个苹果. I want this apple. Except the meaning of want, 想 and 要, they both have another meanings. 想 can mean think. For example, 想一想. And also 想 can mean miss. 我想你. And 要 can mean be going to. 我要去中国. And also 要 can mean have to. 我要好好学习汉语。It's a practice time. If you win the lottery, so 你想做什么 or 你要做什么? Leave your message in the comment section. I will reply you. Here is a gift for you, which is a free PDF of today's lesson I compiled. It includes all words and sentences in this video. You can get it in the description. That's all for today. If you think my video can help you learn Chinese, why don't you be a blessing and share it with a friend? I appreciate you and I wish you the very best in your life. I'm Xinyu. See you next week. 么么哒。Yahoo!